Good evening student, this is your math workbook of class 7. Now we are starting today worksheet 6.3. So student, this is multiple choice type questions. In each question have 4 option and 3 are wrong and 1 is right. So you have to read the statement carefully and choose the correct option. So now start. First is, in which of the following cases the angles are possible from a triangle? So student, we know that the sum of angle of triangle is 90 degree. So you have to add all angles and option B is correct. 90. The sum of all angles of triangle is 180 degree. So my second, if two acute angles of a right angle triangle are equal, then each angle is, so 45. Two acute angle of a right angle triangle are equal, यानी वन राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल में वन एंगल हो गया 90 का, देन टू एक्यूट एंगल आर इक्वल, सो लेफ्ट टू एंगल इज 90 डिग्री बट बोथ आर इक्वल, सो डिवाइड बाई 2, 90 डिवाइड बाई 2 इज 45, सो ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट 45. थर्ड, द वैल्यू ऑफ y in the given figure is, so it is 135 because it is a exterior angle and sum of these interior angle to the opposite, so it is 60 plus 75 is 130. Question number 4, find the value of x in the given figure. So student, we know that the sum of three angles is 180, so add both angle and subtract from 180, so option B 90 is correct because 42 plus 48 is 90, then we subtract 90 from 180, so option B is correct. So fifth, find the perimeter of a rectangle whose one side measure 24 meter and the diagonal is 25. So find the perimeter. So student, we have to find the another side, then the perimeter is 2 multiply L plus B, so it is 62 meter. You can find the second side of a perimeter of rectangle. 6, in the given figure CA is parallel to BD, then find the value of x. So student, now the add both angle and subtract from 180, so this angle is fine, then these both angle are equal, is opposite angle, so it is 120 degrees. C option is correct. Now question number 7, if two sides of a triangle are of length 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter, then the third side must be, so third side must be 8 plus 6 is 14, is greater than, is less than 14, 14 is greater than the, if two sides of triangle are length of 8 and 6, then the third side must be, तो थर्ड साइड होगी वो इससे बड़ी होगी, ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट. Number 8, if ABC is isoscale with AB equal AC, then angle B and angle C also equal. Question number 9, which of the following triplet cannot be side of triangle? So student, option D, because in triangle triplet, so two side, the sum of two sides is always greater than the third side. So we can find with Pythagoras theorem, because 6 square plus 7 square is equal to 18 square. Question number 10, in a right triangle, the hypotenuse and a side are 17 centimeter and 8 centimeter respectively, then the other side of triangle. So student, we can find the other side 15 with Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse and the side are given, so 17 square minus 8 square, so you can find the side, it is 15 centimeter. Question number 11, the side of a triangle have length in centimeter 10, 6.5 and A, where A is whole number, the minimum value of A can take is 4. Option D is 4. Question number 12. Triangle DEF of figure in a right triangle angle is 90 degree. What type of angle D and F? So acute angle. So they are complementary angle because the sum of two angles is 90. 90 is complementary angle. Question number 13. In figure PQ is equal to PF. The value of X is. So PQ is equal to PS. So this is equal to both sides. So option B 45 is answer. Question number 14. In a right angle triangle, the angle other than the right angle are. So right angle triangle, other angle is acute angle. 15. In an isosceles triangle, one angle is 70 degree. The other two angles are 55 and 55. Because two angles are equal, so the other two angle is 110, 55 and 55. And first and second, 70 and 40. So which of the above option are true? So student, D option, first and second. Question number 16. In a triangle, one angle is 90 degree. Then the other two angles are 45 degree each. In remaining two angles, one angle is 90 degree and other 45. Third, remaining two angles are complementary. So student, option third, remaining two angles are complementary. 17. Length of side of a triangle are 3 cm 4 5. The separate is right angle triangle. So 18. In figure PV is equal to PD. PV is equal to PD. The value of X. This value. So first we find this value. Then we know that the sum of these angle is 180. So it is 25. Because this angle is 120. Question number 19. In PQR, option C is correct. PQ minus QR is less than PR. Question number 20. In AB plus BC is always greater than the third angle. So this is option A is correct. Question number 21. The top of a broken tree touches the ground at a distance of 12 meters from its base. If the tree is broken at a height of 5 meters from the ground, then the actual height of tree is 18 centimeters. Option C. The student solve this question by Pythagoras theorem. You know how to solve Pythagoras theorem very well. Question number 22. The triangle ABC formed by AB is equal to 5 cm, BC is equal to 8, AC is equal to 4. So a scalene triangle only because all sides are different. 23. Two trees 7 meter and 4 meter high stand upright on the ground. If their bases are 4 meter apart, so then the distance between their tops, so it is 5 meter. B option. These are two trees, so their bases is 4 meter. This is 7 meter, 4 meter. Then the length of this, if this is 4, then this is 3, 4. So by Pythagoras theorem you can find this side easily. 3 square plus 4 square, 9 plus 16, 25. The root of 25 is 5. Option B. 24. If in an isosceles triangle each of the base angle is 40 degree, then the right triangle is obtuse angle triangle, because it is one angle is less than 60 acute angle, so it is one obtuse angle. 25. If two angle of a triangle are 60 degree each, then the triangle is equilateral. 26 is the perimeter of the rectangle whose length is 60 centimeter, diagonal 61. The perimeter is 142. So first we find the second side of rectangle, then we can easily find the perimeter. So by Pythagoras theorem you can find second side. 27. In triangle PQR, if PQ is equal to QR, angle Q is 100 degree, then R is equal to 40, because PQ is equal to QR, so both angles are equal, so Q is 100, so angle P and angle R also equal, so 80 degree left, divided by 2, 40. Question number 28. Which of the following statement is not correct? So student, option D, the front of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. It is correct. 29. In figure BC is equal to CA, angle A is equal to 40, then angle ACD. So this is 80. ACD is equal to 80. Because these both angles are equal. BC is equal to CA is equal to then 14, 40. 40 plus 40 is 80. 30. From the figure the value of x is. So the value of x is, this is 120 degree, because this is 60 degree, 60, 60 and 60. So this is sum is 180, then 120 and 60. Question number 31. In figure A plus B plus C plus D plus E is equal to 360. Question number 32. In figure PQ is equal to RS, RS is equal to RQ, and ST is parallel to QR. If the exterior angle RPU is 140 degree, then the measurement of angle TSR is. So student, this is option B, TSR. This is the 40 degree triangle. Question number 33. If one angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the other two angles, the angle is right triangle. So what is 6.3 also done.